What we're going to be doing is carrying out enforcement and education activity in relation to people who we find on the roads driving without a seatbelt or travelling as a passenger without wearing a seatbelt where there's a requirement to do so. Last year, over 23,000 people on the UK's roads were seriously injured, and tragically over 1,900 people died. Now, it's estimated that out of those injuries, those statistics, it's estimated that 300 people nationally lose their lives through failing to wear a seatbelt. So by enforcing the message about wearing a seatbelt and carrying out enforcement activity, we're hoping to bring those unacceptably high casualty statistics down. The simple message is, when you get into a vehicle, when you're travelling in a vehicle as a passenger or as a driver, wear your seatbelt. It is there to save your life. If you see some of the horrific consequences of people who sustain injuries through not wearing a seatbelt when they're involved in a collision, it's tragic.